guys, welcome to another video. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber or a stalker, I don't like saying stalker, but y'all know. Thank you so much for joining me in yet another video. So today I am doing something different to my hair. I have a headband wig. So this is my first time wearing a wig. I haven't worn a wig because I have my locks. I've always said, you know, I want to try box braids. Well, no, not really box braids, but I thought, you know what I'm saying, maybe I'll try box braids one day. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna let my hair be free. Whatever it is what it is. But this time go around, y'all, my hair cannot be what it is because it's on the raggedy side, and y'all pray for my hair, seriously. I mean, y'all see how it's looking. But anyway, so I got this headband wig from Amazon. It is an 8-inch Kinky curly hair. So this is the bag it came in. I did take it out the plastic bag, but it came in like an additional, the hair itself came like, okay. Let me get closer. Okay. So the wig itself came in a plastic bag, but this is, I'm set this way. This is how it looks, giving it a little shake. Like I said, kinky curly hair, 8-inch. I absolutely love it. I did kind of test it out before I recorded it, but I had to go to church and yeah. But anyways, so yeah, this is how it looks. This is the headband that comes around, the straps that you can Velcro the straps the back of your head. This wig, it does have 3 combs, 1, 2, 3, and then it has the one on the bottom. It also has the like little bra straps to adjust it even tighter if you need to. But the way my head's set up and my locks are set up, I don't need to adjust anything any tighter because, like I said, I wore it to church and I almost cried because of that tension. But I was rushing. The way how I slapped my locks together wasn't the best, but we're gonna fix that today. And then this is the headband that it came with. It did not come with a wig cap. It did not come with a wig cap, so I had to buy my own wig cap. But right now, what I'm going to do is, as you can see, so my locks are, where my phone at? I have to put this up because I have to look at the last picture I did when I did my hair. I have also like shampooed my hair in the process. Like, not in the process, I'm sorry. I shampoo my hair like in between my retwists, so my locks, they're not always kept together. So April 30th was the last time I did my retwist. That was almost a month ago. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it wasn't the 30th, I think that was my retwist picture. It was at least like the 28th. So about 4 weeks ago, I typically go 4 to 6 weeks, but my locks, I'm in a weird place with my locks. You guys seen me talk about well, if you've seen those videos about my hair, going around, turn around. I don't know if you can see this, ignore my undercut, but you know, this is the part where I was losing hair. It started down here, but it's moving up. So I'm not really in like a huge rush to retwist my hair. I'm still debating if I want to cut them or not, but that's not what y'all want to see. Y'all came to watch me put on this headband wig. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so started off with spraying my hair, more so my roots, because I needed, first of all, my hair was dry. I ain't gonna talk about how dry my hair was, but it was dry. And I needed that flexibility, like that mobility, to be able to like really move my hair, more so my roots around. So I sprayed them with like a generous amount of water. One thing you don't want to do, you really don't want to work on dry hair, especially dry locks. Like, it's not, that ain't, please don't do that. Spray your hair, please. Spray your hair. But you can see, just braiding my hair. I did like 5 braids going to the back. All of them did not go all the way down like to the bottom because my hair is uneven. I knew that I really wasn't that concerned with getting them like all the way down to the bottom. My biggest thing was getting the majority of my hair as flat as possible, because the other day when I wore the wig, when I tested it out, I did not braid my hair. My hair was just put to the back with that, what did I have on? The wig cap. It was put to the back with the wig cap. So I don't know if that extra bulkiness also helped in making it feel too tight. So that's why I opted to do the braids to the back. Hey, I want y'all to see something. Look at this new growth. Like, I have a lot of new growth. My hair definitely does. What I say, it was like, what, 4 weeks? I don't know. So when I do like my retwist video, I'm gonna make sure to record it so y'all can really see my new growth. So sis hair is growing. All right, it's growing. Ain't where I want it to be, but doggone it, it's not where it used to be. So I'm super excited about that. But anyways, this is what I'm saying. They don't go all the way to the back, but I really did not care as long as I have the majority of my base flat. I was cool with that. Now, I don't know if this wig cap was too small, my head was too big, or the wig was too small, but we're not gonna blame me. Okay, we're gonna blame the manufacturers. And we just gonna say, I probably could have used like a bigger size wig. I honestly, I don't even know what size wig this is. I just bought it off of Amazon. So yeah, but you're gonna see my reaction. It was still too tight. That wig and the wig cap, it was way too tight. I did not want that unnecessary tension and unnecessary headache. So I just decided to take the wig cap off. It was cool. Like y'all weren't tripping about that. So if you do feel like it's too tight, of course we want to make sure the wig is as large and stretched out as possible. And if that's not the case, y'all take off the cap. Like trust me, you will be okay. Unless you absolutely need it. If you don't need it, man, take that cap off. When it comes down to the combs, especially the combs at the top, please be careful because I had to like adjust my combs a couple times because it kept like snagging in my locks, like when my new growth had stopped, and it will pull my locks. So that's just one thing to be mindful of, or you can just cut them out. It's all completely up to you. But this is how the wig is looking. The headband, you can see that's how thick it is as it goes to the back. What I ended up doing with the hair itself, I just sprayed it with a little bit of water just to kind of like zhuzh it up, fluffed it out, kind of see if I want to do like create its own like part, just kind of build up that little heavy, not a heavy bang, but like a what is it? Like a side part type of thing. But it ain't do what I wanted it to do. And this is how it looked with the headband on. So it's around the head where the headband is. Y'all, this wig is super light. It is super light. It's also I didn't tell y'all what it was. It's an 8-inch Kinky curly wig. I don't know if I said that earlier or not. But anyways, I'm done. This is how it looks when I'm done. I guess the video is over. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.